All right, guys, part 3 here at the Elm Grove Apiary. So I just weed-eated a little bit around here. My battery that I used was a little weak, so I wasn't able to get a great job doing it. But my primary goal with the weed eating was to get down around here a little bit. I got a few more batteries, but this guy here is getting close. I don't feel like messing around with him. These are getting testy. So this one here, they all got VarroxSan strips. None of the supers are ready. All small hive beetles and these 3 here, I burned them. Wait for him to kind of drive off a little bit. So I'll check these supers in the fall, and when I pull them, I'll treat with formic acid. I hope that this sucker right here survives. I will feed them. Not sure how though. I may use an internal feeder, but I actually hate doing that. I got some Pro Sweet that I'll use. I need to give them some syrup too. I don't know. I'm having mixed feelings on that right now. I guess I can't think straight, but these bees do look darker. If you look here, these are definitely darker than the former bees. I think that's just a trait of the Caucasian bees. Slide this over a little bit. I can't do it. But they've got Varroa Mite treatment on there, so if this one's got a low count, hopefully there's a queen in there. And these guys, all right, this is my office, but this is not my property, so I gotta go. Thanks, guys.